This is a quick demo of the Looker integration in the Glean Dictionary, which just landed. So here we have the front page of the Glean Dictionary, which is a data catalog for all the applications that use Glean. Let's take a look at Firefox for Android. The very first thing when you open this application is you see a list of metrics. Let's click through to the addons.has-enabled addons metric, which shows whether or not the user has enabled add-ons on their device. So, here we have the metric name and the description and various metadata. And then there's a section called access. One option for accessing this data is to use GLAM. And now there's also the option of using Looker. So what we have here is two links. The first link is directly to the Explorer that this metric is a part of. The second is the same link, but with some fields pre-filtered, so you can basically get a running start on answering your data-related question. So let's open that up. So what we see here is the last 28 days for this data. And then by default, for a Boolean metric, like the one we were looking at, we pivot on the value. So Boolean means true or false, obviously, and false would mean that the user has not enabled add-ons on their device. Yes would mean they did. So we see that on the nightly channel, about 72,000 people did not have add-ons enabled on their device on May 31st. About 34,000 did. But looking at it in this tabular view isn't your only option. There's also this visualization piece, and that will show you how this measure has evolved over time. And from here, there's many other possibilities. You can pivot on other dimensions, such as geographical location, or whatever you like. This is just intended as a starting point to further analysis, but hopefully it'll make things a lot easier for people.